This is my gas range hood. I set up this last week, so this is the setup. So this is a single pan, and then this is the original bulb, but I changed to new one. This is LED to 20 volts, but this is only 3 watts compared to this bulb. This is 40 watts, so I save a lot of power when I use this LED bulb for this gas range hood. And then I use this flexible docking tube, and then I use this tape